States of America. Yes. Because I think the elections are sometimes in November.
Election me githurano kyo ni wiki ya mbere ya November.
Cia presidency.
Mena ithurano. Ni marathie barut.
Cia cieta general.
No, ne pasieta.
They just call them the
elections.
Yes.
The Americans have their own style.
Ndio. Au kwa to kwina campaign. Odo ko. The next term. Of course, then he stepped down. The incumbent.
Joe Biden.
Yes.
Sleepy Joe ne augire riu aiga no ne tamu imwe. Eherere muthako ucio.
No, was all age has caught up with him. Akiwatiri. Ikikataa
usi force.
Of course, the key ones is for the Democrats, Kamala Harris.
Ucio niwe deputy wa Joe Biden.
Yes.
Riu no kiri flag bearer riu wa Democrats riu githurano giki kia mwaka uyu.
Yes. And of course, J. Trump. Yes.
Donald Trump.
He has been president. He was quite
no, it's very controversial.
Very heavily. Right from his younger years. But never mind, he has heavy dollars.
Kiodo na kene mundu muritu ki kiodo.
Yes. And now I go na to toy. No kure independent candidates maruga ma America. Actually mane to independent and the third party. It's comprehensive.
The third party.
When I was with Cornel West, Jill Stein, and Chase Oliver. Or I had to know any more tana.
We are just there. Well, makini na democratic space here.
Yes.
Lakini wanajua farasi ni wangapi?
Ni wawili. Na kwenda ge 15 18 madro piru out makiro
Nemo kone na hira tadhivo. No reason.
We don't work like that. This is America. This is America. we don't do those crazy ballots out here.
This
kind of people in one bottle of paper are only found in Africa. We're gonna have only 5 candidates. This is not Nigeria.
Nigeria marina nado 17 ballot in their president.
Yes. So we gonna say the 8 in a year. I'm gonna chill out. we ain't got not doing that kind of thing here. We got Trump, we got Harris, and the 3 others. Yeah, the guys can chill out, find something to do with your life.
And somehow,
yes,
the universe has a way of
conspiring. Yes.
The main two.
I never knew about those people until today. I only know Trump. America's gonna be great. We're gonna get there. And I just want to say, let's make America great again. And of course, the very eloquent and outspoken Kamala Harris. Yes.
Wa Democrats.
Yes.
Na Democrats ni omakirigite-ine kwa ihinda riri.
Na huko no kutukagirira mundu wanakoro president au kita campaign rorio gi. Huko no tumukagirira.
Muno.
Mukaga Uhuru ameritaya. Anakuja no. Obama has had 2 presidents.
Of course.
Yes. And he comes out.
Na no ginya campaign ile kia magaka kia Democrat.
Yes. I want to tell you the Kamala Harris car is the dream of our American nation. And there is no such thing as a vote that doesn't count. America must be governed by people who are all qualified and have passion for this country. Let's do this. You know, I go in this celebrated.
Muno na gathikiririo.
Yes.
Goko ni kwa boki mo bara.
Ndio. Trump nake akina andu aria maramu finance na kumu sponsor. Na ithurano ya kune kinga kirogia na mabũrũri ma naja maya manene. Because America is very consequential.
Very is a big brother.
Yes. Asho kwadu uiwa bagikorofana nao ni Russia. Yes. Leo makiwa Russia.
Well, we are just observers.
We just send an observer mission from Uganda. They don't come to say anything, just observe and go.
Actually, we are more of learners than observers.
Actually, when they come here, they come to benchmark. You see, let's give it up. Region here no democracy to iguru muno. So moka ku benchmark. Ona one mama kara. Through observer mission here kumaro na Uganda moka oku ne mama kara.
Muno.
Did you see that the election was nullified?
By the courts.
I'm very shocked. That can never happen where I come from. So I don't know what to say.
They have biometric gadgets.
Actually, they are not always transporting ballot boxes.
How when you are government?
Hey, you are a government and you don't have loopholes of taking away some.
And you win with a landslide.
Here there is no. 51% is very low. Where we come from 96. America very polite. What you call them
actually they do what are they called? This county hall. Townhall.
Yes, Townhall meetings. Kona Trump they tried to shoot my hair. But I didn't get it. They tried to shoot me down. But I can't go there. Because America must be great again. You know, very organized. Yes.
Go cool.
Now it's called Fufusera. Very organized. Ona matira kwa trili. Tuape tukire.
Vijana oe.
Vijana tutulie. Tusikie baba anasema nini.
Ona gutire nyakenyua yakugurerwa uniform.
Yapana.
Yako inagera munene okitu arugama.
Na gutiko Kenya mpya irehire andu. No, people bring themselves. The democracy is old.
Arabu niwe kurio actually kurio na ginya andu akawaida very ordinary people.
Yes.
Ni marutaga mbeca ciao gucangira campaign ya candidate wao.
As little as $1.
Yes. Magacangira candidate wao.
Yes.
Guku ni tukuohia mungetho wa mbeo cinenje chicken.
Otobange please.
Yes. Tutana uga ni wewe.
Ithio tugucangira rugame president. Sisi sasa. Nako matiru wa maiguru wa ngari.
Hey, Goko, it doesn't work like that.
Na matiraruterwo nyimbo tuthie turaigua rwimbo rurauga NASA Trump tip him. Kamala tip him.
Lelo ni lelo.
DJ. Para weka mchanganyiko.
Ari amethi ao kando.
Na gutire gucambania kuingi. They have a way of addressing facts. Yes.
Ni mari dekora mu nyingi.
When I become president, what we've been doing with President Biden is going to go on our health policy. And I am saying to you, as America, that I am your absolute candidate to become president of this country. Myself and President Joe have done remarkably much, and we can only do better. Now, debate very mature. It's going to go at what they say is I didn't know. That's far from the truth. It can't be the truth. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's fake news. It's fake news.
Acio campaign yao ndihana guku. Guku no nginya ururio uria mundu ucio ni mukamurega.
Mundu ucio nyoni aina moko ni mwamurega. Ni mukamucokia bondo. I've never mind some of us even know. I've never been to Bondo.
Don't
you can I yes okay
Bondo.
Agelere ku.
Utiri merchandise maroheagwo ma t-shirt itani na mĩeri 3 ĩtabuthũkĩte kara.
Actually supporters zako they make their own merchandise.
Mũndũ agethondekera.
Marutaga mbeca na angĩ magethondekera. Yes. Maheagwo theme.
Nĩ kũrũgama na kĩoneki.
Campaign office ndĩrũgamaga nĩ ũndũ wa donations. Andũ maumaga kũndũ na kũndũ gũkakuga ndoka kũrũgama na candidate wakwa na 10,000. Yes.
Wow, we have a long way before we get there.
Yeah.
We have a long way.
Long way. We might hold up in there.
Gũkũ nĩ kwa njararĩ-inĩ ya mbe ĩkimanwo mbara ya ngundi andũ makĩrũĩra t-shirt
wega na ngũbia na nyingĩ itarũke. Na kogo tie mwana siasa waragia ati nitoboe. Huko hakuna ya kutoboa.
Wewe uza sera yako.
Usiulize watu niseme nisiseme. Wewe sema.
Sema yako.
Anyway, we're looking at that space. One of the oldest democracies of the world.
Yeah, the world #1 democracy.
Yes.
Ni Trump ama ni Kamala Harris?
No, definitely, because the other ones are...
Well, dirona kiama kiria kingeringika.
Given all odds.
Yes. Acha tugoje.
Goje tu.
Thaa 19.